Hi, I am a CNC engineer who fights every day with 0.005 mm tolerance. 99% of people working with me ask, how hard is it to machine medical parts? Honestly, you must be careful and brave, because there's no room for error. Let me be clear. Medical parts are not simple screws. They touch the human body, can stay inside for many years. If the tolerance is off by 0.01 mm, assembly fails and the implant may not work. High precision and traceability are the lifelines of the industry. The first secret is ultra precision. Many parts need minus and plus 0.005 mm, 1/10 of a hair. We use CMM to check every size again and again. We are not picky. These parts can save lives. The second secret is a clean surface. Surface roughness must be below 0.4 microns to stop bacteria. Even one scratch can waste the whole bench. Grinding, polishing, and cleaning. Every step matters. The third secret is material purity and full recourse. 304 stainless steel or titanium alloy. Each bench needs certificates. If something goes wrong, we trace every detail. CNC machining for material parts looks simple, but it's built on people's dedication. Want to learn more CNC secrets? I'm Candid. Let's talk in the comments. See you next time.